Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stream on Twitch using OBS. It's pretty simple. So right now I'm using the latest version of OBS. So from over here, what you need to do is first you need to connect your OBS with Twitch. For that, you need to click on File at the top left and choose over here where it says Settings. From inside Setting, what you need to do is click on over here where it says Stream. Once you click on Stream over here at the top, you want to choose Twitch. Once Twitch is selected, you want to click on Connect Account. Once you click on Connect Account, it's going to ask you to connect or log in into your Twitch account. So what you need to do is enter your Twitch username, password and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, your Twitch account will be connected with OBS. After it's connected, you can just click on apply and click on OK. Once you are connected with Twitch, basically what you need to do is just set up a display capture, which you can easily do by clicking on plus, and from over here you can choose display capture. Once you choose display capture, whatever is being shown on your screen, that is going to be streamed. So once that is set, make sure your mic is on. Make sure your desktop audio is on as well so it can pick up desktop's audio. Once this is on, what you can do is click on start streaming, and basically whichever Twitch account your OBS is connected to, that is the place where your stream is going to be turned on, or that is where you're going to stream. That is how we guys can stream from OBS on Twitch. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.